3.
So today we are gonna talk about doing a project with the Arduino Uno, and we are gonna do emergency code with as Morse code SOS.
Morse code, yeah.
So as you can see here, the LED is blinking, and the small, the faster blinks are at dots, and the longer ones are dash, which is how the Morse code is represented as dot and dashes.
Dot and dashes. Yes.
So we are going to write a code representing those dots and dashes and make the Morse code work using the Arduino.
Okay, so the entire project is running on the C code.
C code.
Okay.
So as we can see here, we are first declaring the variables so that we don't have to go below and keep changing it whenever we want to change the delay time or the pin that we are receiving the output from.
Okay.
So as you can see, I have declared my output pin as with the name as my pin, which is equal to 8. So my output is going to be coming from the 8th pin of the digital pins.
Okay.
And we can name anything as per whatever we want while declaring the variables. So since Morse code is dot and dash, I have declared the dots as integer because we need the delay time to be in solid integer numbers.
Okay, very good.
And the dash is also given as an integer. And we need to have a break after the message is being sent. So we are using a 1 second gap with the name as long wait, which is also an integer data type.
Okay, very good.
So the declaration is done. So next we go up to the void setup where we use pin mode and we have to declare which pin we are using as the output.
Okay.
So here I have given the code as my pin so that in future if I have to change the pins from any number from 1 to 30, I can just go to the whatever I have declared in the starting and just change the number.
Okay.
And as we come down, we have to go to the void loop where I've written the code for the dots and dashes of blinking LED.
Okay.
So here we can see I've written digital right and my pin is high. So my pin is the output pin that we are using in the program.
Okay.
And we are using delayed dot. As told earlier, the dot and the dot is being declared in the starting.
Okay.
And we can use any number in the starting to represent the delay time.
Okay.
And the same, we have to repeat it 3 times because we are having 3 dots for the letter S and 3 dashes for the letter O.
Okay.
So if we are writing an SOS message, we need to repeat S 3 times, O 3 times, and again S 3 times.
Okay, very good.
So as you see here, S is done and now it's O.
Okay.
Even in O, we declare it as my pin, which is the output pin.
Okay.
And we, instead of dot, we give dash because we need the delay to be a longer time.
Okay.
And again we have the delayed dot below, which is for the S character.
Okay.
And once it's SOS, we need a wait so that it gives a gap so that we can read the message.
Okay.
So we declare again over here as delay long wait. As said in the starting, long wait has a 1 second gap. We can also make it 2 seconds by writing 2000 milliseconds.
Very good. And anything you can change on the variables on the top.
Yeah, that depends on how we want the code.
Correct. Exactly. Very good. Very good. Okay. Good work.